Hello everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I have a ATC card trade from Miss Kathy's Crafting Group. And this is from Deidra. The cow isn't from Deidra. I put that on the cover of the address. So, but look at her little washi tape. Isn't it cute? Okay. Let's see. I'm going to see if I can save the washi tape. When I... Ooh, got a good section of it right there. I don't wanna... Okay. I'm opening it off to the side because of their address. Cute washi tape on the envelope as well. In the back. Okay. Hello, I accidentally called you. Sorry. Hey, I'll work. Alright, bye-bye. Love you. Sorry, that was a phone call. I'm not going to edit this. That's my son. I accidentally called him. Let's see, return my phone call. And if it was accidentally. Okay, here we go. I got it out. Okay. Thanks so much. Tina, thank you for always participating in Kathy's ATC trade each month. I'm enjoying getting yours. Mixed media ATCs in paper. They're always beautiful. Have a great rest of your day. Your friend Crafty Deidra. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, get a little. I call them dewdrops, but they're little stickers. And then, ooh, what are these? They're little tiny bags. I don't know what they are. Oh my God. Look at them. They're little flowers. They look cute for a center of a flower. You know, if you drew a flower and you put this in the center, they're like little plastic flowers. Them are cool. Tiny, tiny babies. Cute. And we got some little glasses of drinks. And then another one. Ooh, and a blingy. And here's our ATC. Oh my God, it's so cute. Right? Yep. So she's got green stars and back paper and circles. And she's got a clover and a bird and music papers and a rainbow and those little dots. And this is from Crafty Deidra. Her birthday's August, I want to say 11th. Shabby chic and electric. Or, yeah, electric? Color, teal. I'll have to look that up. Electric? I believe that says. Ooh, she sent me a little piece of paper. So, alright. I always love this part. I love getting the ATCs done. Come here, but I love decorating a page. So, make sure. Yep. I don't know if I'm going to use them. Maybe. But the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get some double-sided tape here. Because I'm going to tape in her card. Don't want to lose them. Okay. There. ATC there for now. And, oh look, it's double-sided. So, I'm going to use one like this. And then I'm going to use one like this. I think that's cool. I was able to save a couple pieces of washi tape. And I don't know if I can get any glue out of my, because I ordered some today. Oh, well, I can, because almost, oh, I like this ever since Kathy told me about this glue stick. This time I stocked up. I bought a 6-pack. So, okay. I tell you. Oh. That's not where I wanted it. But I can sit here all day and not get one phone call. Start doing a video. Well, my son's just returning my phone call because I accidentally called him. That was Diamond calling me. And I'm like, I'm doing a video. It's like, oh, okay. So she's got the front one. I'm going to cut that. Smart. I try to use everything off the envelope if I get it. If I can. She taped this one down on the front. So I had to cut it. We're going to stick that like there. Well, actually, I want to move it over a little bit. We're going to move it this way just a minute. Just a little bit. Just a minute. Just a little bit. Because I'm going to stick the little blingy tree right there. Oh, on my finger. Tiny little thingy. There we go. And 2 more. And 1 more. Cool. I know that. And then, look at these little mixed drinks. They're cute little stickers. When I was a kid, they used to have a sticker store in the mall. And I'd always want them. But they were so expensive. And I just couldn't see me wasting my money on a sticker when I'm limited. So I never really got them. But God, they were so cool. Like the Lisa Franks. I can remember seeing the Lisa Frank ones in there. I only got, can you imagine today telling a kid they'd only get $1 for allowance? I mean, I'd save. I'd babysit. I'd do odd jobs for neighbors just to earn extra money. I'd go, I had a bike, and my grandpa built me a little trailer to pull behind my bike, and I'd go can picking, aluminum can picking, and save my cans for a while, and I'd take them in, and I'd make money that way. Also, I was that kid. I also worked in a school cafeteria. I don't know if they'll even do that anymore. But I came from a small township, and I mean, if I would have graduated, there would have been only 60 students graduating. That's how small it was. Yeah. No, that's actually. No. Let me think. I think I'm wrong on it. I think there was 45 that on my class. Yeah, it wasn't big. I just remember that. But I'd have to go look at it. They even sent me my yearbook I paid for. But I quit school. I was an idiot. Yep. I quit school. Biggest mistake of my life. Oop. Oh. They like sticking to your finger. Come on. Oh. It's stuck into my finger there. There we go. Oh, come on. Alright, that's where you want to be stick. There we go. I want, oops, a card. I want to at least put a couple of these in there. Not all of them, but just one or two, maybe three. And just see. So, I'm going to use this in my Fabri-Tac. I'm not ordering, whoa, oops, I got a lot of Fabri-Tac out there that time. I'm not ordering Barely Art or Art Glitter Glue, because I tell you, the last time I bought them, in both, there was, one with the Art Glitter, or Barely Art was chunky, nope, and the Art Glitter Glue I got was really runny. And I don't know if it's because I ordered them when it was colder, and they shouldn't have sent them to me. I don't know. I should have got a hold of the company actually, but I didn't. So we're using some Fabri-Tac. Maybe that if they don't hold, they'll fall in the book, and I'll know where they are. Okay, guys, there we go. There we go. Woohoo! I like this. That's off that little package. It says bling it. So I cut it. We're putting it right there. Alright. So I got a little bit, whoop, runaway flower. So I got a little bit of flowers left. And Deidra's page. So, and this is her ATC card. It's gorgeous. Thank you so much, Deidra, for swapping with me. I can't wait to work on April's. kind of got an idea in my head. And I got to put her... So... Well, I got her card, so I know who it is. But I'm going to put March 2024. All right. So thank you, Deidra, again. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.